Here's a 2011 Honda Odyssey. With its utility, stylish comfort, and desire for adventure, the Odyssey is everyone's happy place. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: refrigerated box located in the console, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, front and rear camera parking sensors, wireless audio streaming, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. Of the Odyssey's interior, Popular Mechanics describes it as astonishingly comfortable, very versatile, and exceptionally high quality. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.